this is Ray, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of creating this rainbow water marbled French tip manicure. I'm going to start out by creating the water marbled decals. So I'm going to start with a small cup of water. I'm using a Dixie cup with room temperature filtered water. Now the nail polish that I'll use will need to float well on top of the water and be easy to manipulate once it's there. So the colors I'm using are LA Colors Hot Blooded number 406, LA Colors Shock, Sally Hansen Daisy Dukes, LA Colors Mint number 506, Sally Hansen Royal Rage, LA Colors Purple Passion number 612. So to create the water marble, I'm going to add a drop of red polish. And after that spreads over the water, I'll add a drop of orange polish into the middle of the red. I'll continue adding one drop at a time down to the purple and then back up to the red. Next, I'm going to take a toothpick and poke it into the red polish in the middle. Then I'll gently drag it to the edge of the cup. I'm going to take the toothpick all the way to the edge, otherwise there's a chance that the polish will stick to it and that I'll accidentally lift the whole design out of the water. I only want a simple star design for this project, so I'm going to repeat that same step 4 times to kind of make a cross shape pattern. Next, I'll drag the polish toward the middle between those lines that I just created. So I'm going to poke the toothpick down through one of the outer rings of polish and drag it gently into the middle, then slowly and carefully lift the toothpick straight up. When the design is finished, I'm going to let the polish dry on top of the water for just about 20 seconds. Then I'm going to take my stamper and gently place just the silicone part of the stamper into the water. Then before I remove it, I'm going to take my toothpick and remove any remaining polish that's around the outside of the stamper, and then lift my design out. If I don't remove the remaining polish, it might fold back onto the design and really ruin the look of the water marble. I'm going to set that aside to dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to make 3 more of those. So I didn't end up needing all 4 of them, but I wanted to have an extra one just in case something went wrong, or so that I could pick the ones that I thought looked the best. Those designs are drying, I'm going to go ahead and take off last week's manicure. I'll start with unrolling and cutting up some cotton balls. Apply some barrier butter to my cuticles to protect the skin. I'll place the cotton soaked in acetone over my nails and apply a clip. Soak that off. Remove the clips and the polish. my nails first by pushing back my cuticles and filing them to my preferred shape. I'll use Hollow Taco long-lasting base as my base coat, apply it to all of my nails, and give it about 10 minutes to dry. I'm going to go in with my Moonshine Manny Groundhog Day. I'll apply a coat and let it dry. Go in with a second coat. While I'm waiting for my base color to dry, I'm also going to take some Wet n Wild clear nail polish. And I'll take the water marble decals that I put on my stampers earlier, and I'm going to coat them completely with this clear nail polish. I want to wait for those to completely dry before I start working with them. Dry decal and very gently peel it off the stamper. I'm going to do it with tweezers because it's the easiest way to get it off. I just want to be very careful to not puncture my stamper with the tweezer. Once I have that off, I'm going to take a pair of scissors and I'm going to gently cut this into 4 pieces. This will be right about the right size to make that French tip. Then I'm going to take a circular craft punch. This is 5/8 of an inch. I'll take a pair of tweezers to pick up my decal piece. And I'll carefully insert the decal into the craft punch, and I want to position it just right. I just want to take off the bottom flat edge of the decal so that I get a nice half moon shape. Then I'll take my Maniology sticky base coat and apply it to just the tip of the first finger that I want to work with. While it's drying, I'll place my decal on my stamper head just to make it easier to place. I'm going to put it down shiny side up, end up showing the more attractive side of that water marble decal. I'll press it onto my nail with my stamper, and then I'm going to take a rubber cuticle pusher and just secure down all those edges so that it sticks nice and flush. I'll take my cleanup brush and some acetone to remove the extra pieces of the decal. rest of my nails. Thumbnail is unfortunately broken, so I am going to do something just a little bit different for this nail. This is something that you can repeat on your nails if yours are shorter like mine. Instead of doing a whole French tip, I'm just going to take one of those little half-moon scraps and place it at the cuticle edge of my nail to do a half-moon manicure as opposed to a French tip. So I'm going to take my Moonshine Mani Quick Dry Top Coat, and once everything is secure and dry on my nails, I'm going to apply a nice layer of top coat. And product links in the description below. And please don't forget to take some time to like and subscribe. I really do appreciate your support.